Yeah, it looks super smooth. That looks smooth.
Man, you're just happy little kids, you know? Happy little smash. Yeah.
So what are you doing here, dude?
Clearance. We lowered it to the perfection amount. Now we just need to get some wheel clearance. Did come with new hardware, but I used the BMW ones because they're like have little
Yeah, the locating science.
donks. Alternating pattern because mechanic.
We're out here, just kind of want to put the coilovers in, slam it, put it on the floor, drive around. But Christoph is kind of saying that we should check the suspension travel.
It's gonna be on the lowest setting.
Yeah, like we just want to.
But just for the sake of math and
So
science.
what are you supposed to do to check the suspension
So
travel?
what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bolt the wheel on, and then we're gonna bolt the lower mount up to the shock, not run the spring, and then we're gonna compress the suspension all the way up and see what contacts, if anything. Ideally, we want the bump stop to try and touch before the wheel is contacting either the outer fender or the outer fender or something like that. I mean, this car's super low, and its goals are kind of just
Two goals: stunting and flexing.
Exactly. So we may not be able to achieve that, but I can't help but not do this anytime I'm around coilovers. Pop out. This is
Looking
Keep going. I'm
good.
gonna watch. The
Yeah.
Make sure to close. Keep going. The trailing arm's already touching the body almost.
Looking good. Looking good. Perfect.
Yo, for real, man, stop playing, stop being stupid and shit, stop playing.
Let's go with the flow.
Word.
Yeah, here we go. Let's go with the flow. Yeah, here we go.
Yeah, the front's got to come down.
Take your collar out. That means
Yes.
I gotta take.
All right, so what's the plan here, Michael?
Gotta take another collar out to deal with the issue in the front.
First, I like to say, big up to all the Monster Island Massive. And beware before I triple dare you like the last kid. He asked me what we don't got that you got, son. For one flow, that's elementary, my dear Watson. And secondly, ever since I was little, not so much to riddle, but least rhyme to the syllable. I keep tracks to make an A-rap thief clap with no hands. I chop these drums off truly yours off G-rap. It's actual fact, relax. Up in this land of lyrical lost black, I'm not the cool sleep stack. The one who might stop and talk to you, poison to you. Niggas who be biting styles like pork too. Ooh, what you got to lose? Let mud fly. When I got the blues, I two whole crews that's bud dry. So I ask why the styles from the session.
What are you doing right now? You're just preheating the oven?
Yeah. 3,000 RPM, 20 seconds.
You smell?
Yeah, the cheese melted a bit, dude. That's worse than my other side. Yeah, it's supposed to move a little bit. That's just a lot of it.
serious amount of brake dust.
There's a lot of brake dust here, so we're really gonna brace.
Okay, so Mike's car brakes kind of suck. This is the end of the video. Say bye.
Bye, everyone.
Say bye, Mike.
Thank you. Have a
Say
beautiful
bye.
day.
Bye.